I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened the document and you're ready to change background color. First, select the text you want to alter, single word, sentence, or press Ctrl plus A to grab everything. Once selected, look on the Home tab for two tools: Text Highlight Color for quick highlights and the Shading control for true background fills. Use Highlight for bright marker style color. Use Shading when you need uniform background behind whole paragraphs. Make this choice now, so the next steps apply correctly to your selection. You're ready to apply and fine-tune the color. Click Text Highlight Color for an immediate marker effect. If you need precise hues, open Home Paragraph Shading More Colors and pick an exact RGB or theme color. Once you apply shading, make sure to check paragraph spacing because shading covers the full line. Adjust spacing if it looks cramped. If you want consistent backgrounds across headings or repeated phrases, create or modify a style. Or use Format Painter to copy the formatting quickly and bring it home. Save your document and inspect results in Print Preview to ensure the background appears as expected. To remove a background, select the text and choose No Color or Clear Formatting. That reverts both highlight and shading. If the on-screen color doesn't print, make sure your printer settings allow background colors and images. Some printers default to white backgrounds to save ink. If things still fail, convert to PDF to preserve appearance. Then print the PDF with background printing enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.